Hi friends, welcome to MATLAB Techworld. Quote of the day: no one can make you feel inferior without your concern. Eleanor Roosevelt. In today's video, we are going to see how to export Simulink models to previous version. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you find it useful for your friends, kindly share it, and your feedback matters me a lot. If any doubts and suggestions, please post in the comment section, and if you want to get notified on my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video till last. Have a great day.